Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02033 in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged in as a common user called c#Scott. Make sure that you have permission to execute all the SQL queries. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to create one index for the cluster called empno underscore cluster. So empno underscore cluster is already there. I am going to create one index for the cluster. See here, ORA-02033, a cluster index for this cluster already exists, which means that this cluster empno underscore cluster already there, and there is already one index called for that empno underscore cluster. So what is the solution is, no need to create the index for this cluster, or you create the index for some other cluster which does not have index.